Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the brand new Amazfit Bip U. In this watch we have 1.43 inch large color screen and we have 50 meters water resistant. Let's go ahead. As you can see, the package is very thin and very good looking. We have here at the side a couple of other things that we can do with the Bip U. Let's go ahead and unbox it real quick. As we mentioned before, we have 50 meters for the waterproof assistant. Here in the package we have the user manual with plenty of languages, and after that we will find the watch itself wrapped up for protection, and we have the charger here in this little box. So this is all that we have in the box of Amazfit Bip U. Let's go ahead and unwrap it and see what we got. Also, not forget to mention that we got more than 60 sports, and we have oxygen beats, personal activities, intelligent, and we have a lot of other health caring. You can see the bands are made from really good material of rubber, and the screen as well, very good quality. You can see Amazfit logo and the watch started, very good colors, and let's go ahead and see what we got more. At the top we have the taskbar with time, date, percentage of battery, do not disturb, brightness, settings and alarm. These are just a few shortcuts that we have here in the taskbar. We will see settings later. We have the brightness, let's raise that all the way up. And the left we have music control, right we have activity goals. Next we have heart rate, blood pressure, stress, PAI, weather, music control again, and that's basically it. Down we have messages, and if you press the button you enter the app list with activity goal, PAI, heart rate, sleep, workout. Here in workout we have outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, walking, pool swimming, rope skipping, yoga, free exercise, rowing machine, elliptical training, cricket, dance, and we have plenty of more that we can add. As we mentioned, we have more than 60 sports in this watch. Blood oxygen, stress, breathe, cycle tracking. This is a new option for our ladies. If you're interested to see that, this is one option for the ladies in our channel and whoever buys it. We have alarm and settings that we said before. In the settings we will find watch faces that we can change right here, some of them that are downloaded, and we can download more in the app. Let's go back to the settings and see what we got more. We have auto screen off, which we can raise up to 50 seconds, and that will drain our battery faster. We have screen lock in case we want to make a screen lock. We have lit upon the wrist lift, lit upon notifications. You can see all they are on, and we have some preferences that you can customize for your own preference. We have here press and hold, vibration, time format, data format, etc. And we have the system where we can restart, shut down, or factory reset our device. After the settings we have more. As you can see, we have weather, music, countdown, stopwatch, and this is Pomodoro tracker, one more option new in the Bip U. And these are all the things. You can see the cycle tracking for our ladies that we mentioned before. So after these breathtaking options, as you can see, heart rate is the first option that we have right here, the one finger method that we have to do. And let's tighten the watch to our wrist better. It notifies you to push the watch a little bit further than your hand, and you can see it says remain still, so you have to stay still while this is measuring. For whole lot better things, you can see the first option, and this is our state of heart rate and the measure as well. We have blood oxygen, 3-second countdown. It says remain still again, so these data are very accurate. Keep the hand up, place your arm horizontally on the table. As you can see, it gives you a couple of instructions how you should put your hand and your body as well, so you get more accurate data while this is measuring. You can see the circle is filling up slowly, but we got some good information in this watch and we have a good watch in front of us. Amazfit never fails us. So let's wait and see what result it gives in the end. And you can see measurement failed, and that's mainly because my hand it was moving a little bit, or probably I'm not holding my hand like I should in the instruction like they said. So I'm trying to hold my hand a little bit up and not moving it. So let's see in the second time if it will work. As you can see, we got some information here, which is a good sign. So let's wait for the final result and see what we get. As you can see, the state of our blood oxygen is really good, and we have the stress as well. Again, 3-second countdown. We have to wear it like this further from the hand. It says remain still, keep the screen facing up, wear the watch tightly, and place your arm horizontally on the table. So these are the same instructions that we saw before, and let's see what result the stress option will give us. We can see the first result is here. And we have the stress. As you can see, it's in the second stage. Not so good, but not bad either. So let's go to the settings. We have here the workouts. Outdoor running is the first option that we have. Let's try outdoor running here. The GPS, as you can see, is activated. Press go, and we have here the time at the top, seconds going underneath it, distance, pace, and heart rate. We have stride frequency, calories, and average pace. We have heart rate diagram, as you can see, very good information. Pace diagram as well, and we have in the left and the result, and we have also in the right the music control, which is a very good option. So this is the sport in the Bip U. Let's see, we have the breathing as well. We can choose the minutes that we want to breathe. I'm going to go for 1 minute. It's much easier just to see how it works. As you can see where it says inhale and exhale, you have to do like this, like it says, and you have to inhale where it says, exhale where it says to exhale. It's very simple and very easy to do, and this will help you reduce stress and lower your heart rate and blood pressure, all this kind of stuff. So if you are in stress or exhausted, this option will help you reduce your stress and your higher heart rate. So let's wait for the end of this result and see what we got from the result of the breathing. As you can see, we have heart rate changes, and after that we don't think we have anything else to test in this watch. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.